Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to check unsent messages in Messages app. Let's dive right in. On an Android device, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and select the Notifications option. In the Notifications section, tap on Notification History. Toggle the switch on to enable Notification History. Now, you can see any unsent messages on Messenger by navigating to your Messenger notification history. On an iOS device, open the Messenger app on your device. Look for any conversations with a draft label next to them. This indicates that there's an unsent message in that chat. Tap on the conversation to open it, and you'll see your draft message waiting for you at the bottom of the chat window. Please note that these steps might vary slightly depending on the version of your operating system and the Messenger app. Always make sure to keep your apps updated to the latest version to access all features. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.